You learned how to use copy and paste to copy formulas in the payroll worksheet for the Waterfront Bistro. You can also use cut and paste to move the contents of a cell or range of cells to another location in the worksheet. The selected cells being cut or copied are called the source. The cell or range of the cells that is receiving the source data is called the destination. If data already exists in the destination cells, Excel replaces the contents. Cells cut or copied to the clipboard can be pasted more than once in the active workbook, in another workbook, or in another Office application. So for this project, we're going to continue to work on the catering quotation by moving the text in the quotation, duplicating a price, linking cells containing prices, and by copying a food item description. So I've got this file open. I'm going to make cell A38 the active cell. I'm going to click the cut button in the clipboard group on the home tab. Home, clipboard, and here's cut. Okay, when you do that, a moving marquee surrounds the source after you use cut or copy, indicating the cell contents have been placed in the clipboard. Okay, I'm going to make cell E15 the active cell, and then I'm going to click the paste button. So E15, and then I'm going to click the paste button in the clipboard group. Oops, E15, paste, and not the down pointing arrow, just the paste button, that part. Okay. The text is removed from A38 and placed in E15. In the next step, you'll move a range of cells using drag and drop. Drag and drop is really cool. So I'm going to select the range A14 to B15, A14 to B15, just those 4 cells. You are only selecting to column B since the entries remote location filming and July 11th to August 31st are stored in cells B14 and B15 respectively. And that all of this is in those cells. So, okay. Point at any of the 4 borders surrounding the selected range. So right here, and it says when you point at a border, the pointer changes from a thick white cross to a white arrow with the move icon attached to it, which is a 4-headed arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the top left corner of the range of cells to cell E12 and then release. So I got my move button. I'm going to click and drag to E12. Right there, so that the upper left corner is in E12, and then I'm going to let go. A green border will appear as you drag, indicating the placement of the range when you release the mouse. The destination range displays in the screen tip, okay, which is what I was talking about there. Make cell A25 the active cell. Okay, I'm sorry, D25. Click the copy button in the clipboard and then make D29 the active cell and paste. It says make D29 the active cell. Click the paste button arrow in the clipboard group. So I'm going to click the down arrow and then click the paste link button in the other paste options section. Other paste options. Right here is paste link. Okay, and what does that do? The existing data in cell D29 is replaced with the value copied from D25, and the source and destination cells are now linked. Linking the cells means that any change made to the source cell, D25, will automatically be applied to the destination cell, D29. A paste options button appears next to the destination cell, D29. Click the button to return to the paste options gallery if you want to choose another paste option. See the in addition section at the bottom of the page for more information on paste options. So we're gonna hit escape to remove the moving marquee from D25. Okay. And then I'm going to make D25 the active cell, and I'm going to change the value to 391, and I'm going to hit enter. And then it says, notice the value in D29 is also changed automatically to 391. Make A20 the active cell. Point at any one of the four borders surrounding cell A20 until the pointer is a white arrow with the move icon attached to it. Hold down the control key and then drag the mouse to A33. So point there, I'm holding down the control key. Notice I get the plus sign, that's good. And now I'm going to click and drag to A33. Then let go. Release the mouse button and then release the control key. A plus sign attached to the pointer indicates the source contents are being copied. Okay, so we just copied that down to there. So, okay, we're going to save, Control S, and that's it for that activity.